guys, how are you doing? It's me, Karen. So today we're gonna unlock the secret to that I'm not wearing makeup look. You know, the one that says I'm naturally this flawless? I'm gonna be using some of my favorite products from our sponsor, Bare Minerals. This looks gonna be great for the days when you wanna look fresh and put together. If you look at these pictures, these girls might look like they're not wearing any makeup at all or just wearing some lip balm, but they're actually wearing a full face of makeup with foundation, lips, cheeks, the whole shebang. So I'm gonna show you guys how to recreate this look. Let's get started. First things first, skin prep. It's super important to have a clean, moisturized face, so I'm applying my go-to primer to create a smooth base for foundation. Properly moisturized and primed skin helps our makeup go on smoother and stay put all day. This is before skin prep and this is after. Next up, we have foundation, and I'm using the original Pure Serum Radiant Natural Liquid Foundation Mineral SPF 20 from Bare Minerals. This product is amazing. It's the first of its kind. It has 93% skincare ingredients, giving a naturally radiant finish. It doesn't even feel like makeup at all. It feels like skincare that gives makeup coverage. I love that it's skincare and makeup all in one. I've been loving it because this clearly blurs my pores and all my imperfections for a noticeably smoother, more youthful appearance, and it's actually been clinically proven to improve clarity and minimize your pores in just a week. So to use this, you want to shake the bottle really well before applying and then dispense half a pump onto your fingertips, warm it up, and blend from the center of your face towards the outside. This foundation feels really weightless on the skin and has really great SPF 20. The left is before the Bare Minerals Original Pure Serum and the right is after Bare Minerals Original Pure Serum. My skin is a lot more even, there are no more dark spots, it covered up all my blemishes, but it still looks like my skin but better. Next, I'm dabbing a little concealer under my eyes and on any blemishes. This just helps to brighten up the under eye area and cover any imperfections without looking cakey. Concealer is great for addressing problems like dark circles, redness, and blemishes. Take a moment and look at this photo. Do you see any difference from the before and the after? There's some darkness under my eyes, and in the after, it has brightened up the darkness under my eyes. The difference might be subtle, but it's perfect for the no makeup look. For the brows, can you guess what the difference is in the before and the after photo? If you guessed a little fluffier, you got it right. Because it's so important to keep them looking natural, first I'm using a brow gel to make my hairs look fluffy and press them down. Then, taking a brow pencil, I'm going to fill any sparse areas of my brows to make a big difference in my overall appearance. Well-defined brows frames our face and give it structure. Before the no makeup look, it's so important that it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm going to apply a brown pencil liner on my upper lash line. Using brown instead of black gives a softer, more natural look. It also defines your eyes without looking too harsh. Eyeliner helps to define the eyes and make them stand out. A great trick for making our eyes look bigger and more awake is to apply a nude lip liner on the waterline. Because our waterline is already pink, applying the nude lip liner makes our eyes appear larger and more refreshed. Now I'm going to outline and fill my lips with the same nude lip liner. This will give a little definition to our lips without adding too much color. Then using my fingers, I'm going to blend the same lip liner all over my lips, and this helps balance the face and gives a polished finish to the no makeup look. Then I'm going to finish off the lips with a little bit of gloss. This adds a touch of shine and helps to keep our lips moisturized throughout the day. Glossy lips give a youthful, fresh appearance without looking overdone. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. I'm using a natural shade that is close to my natural flush. Blush adds a healthy glow and helps to liven up the complexion, and it's so important not to go overboard with the blush as we want to keep it looking natural. Then to add a little bit of warmth to my face, I'm taking this bronzer and tapping it all over the perimeter of my face, my jawline, my cheekbones, and the side of my forehead. Also, don't forget to contour your nose, and taking the same bronzer, I'm going to tap a little to my eyelids to add a little bit more dimension to my face. And here's the final look. Bare Minerals Original Pure Serum Foundation is a secret weapon for a perfect complexion without feeling heavy or cakey. If you love showing off your skin in a natural way, run, don't walk, and get this serum foundation. Check out the link below to shop now at bareminerals.com, and a huge thanks to Bare Minerals for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much and take care of your skin. See you guys in the next video. Bye!